Have you ever wanted to truly master Blender but never knew where to start? Hi, I'm Marwan Hussein. After 15 years in the 3D industry and over 6 years working exclusively with Blender, I've helped more than 25,000 students worldwide go from total beginners to confident 3D artists, creating projects that impress studios, attract clients, and build real careers. Now, I've combined all that experience into one complete system, a bundle designed to help you master Blender faster, smarter, and with absolute clarity. For the first time, I've gathered my 9 most powerful Blender courses into a single evolving collection. It's a full learning journey that covers everything you need to build a successful 3D career or take your passion to the next level. And here's the best part, this bundle keeps growing. I'll continue adding new professional Blender courses over time, increasing its value and, naturally, its price. But if you join today, you'll lock in the current price forever. Every future course will be added to your account completely free. No upgrades, no hidden costs, no catch. It's an opportunity that rewards those who take action early. Let me tell you what you will get inside this bundle. Blender from the ground up. You'll start with the foundations of Blender, learning the interface, modeling, texturing, lighting, and rendering step by step. This course alone is enough to make you a true Blender professional, thanks to countless hands-on examples that take you through every stage, from modeling, unwrapping, to texturing, and final rendering, all in a clear, structured workflow. Then you'll move into interior design mastery, where you'll create photorealistic spaces entirely from scratch, modeling most of the elements yourself, from the walls, floors, to the furniture and decor. You'll work with professional materials, cinematic lighting, and high-end post-production techniques, perfect for architects and interior designers who want to build complete, realistic visualizations using Blender as a full design tool. Next, you'll dive into the Jeep Gladiator Rubicon, building a production-quality vehicle from scratch and mastering precision modeling, detailing, and realistic shaders, one of the biggest automotive projects ever made in Blender. You'll start completely from zero, setting up the reference images and modeling every single detail, from the first pillar to the last, achieving full professional accuracy entirely inside Blender. Then explore the Rolls-Royce Spectre, one of the most refined and professional automotive projects. You'll start from absolute zero, modeling nearly every component of the Spectre with precision and care. Every curb, surface, and detail is crafted to perfection, achieving an ultra-smooth, mirror-like finish that defines true luxury design. In this course, you'll also dive deep into high-end material creation, learning how to build elegant car paint, polished metals, glass, and lighting setups that bring realism to life. You'll also get the Tesla Cybertruck, one of the most advanced and detailed vehicle projects in this bundle. We'll start completely from scratch, setting up blueprints, blocking out the main forms, and refining every panel, curve, and edge with professional precision to achieve an ultra-clean, flawless surface. Beyond modeling, this course takes you deeper into professional rigging, setting up fully functional tires, realistic suspension movement, and an animated rear door system, making the vehicle completely ready for motion and cinematic rendering. Finally, you'll explore advanced materials and lighting techniques, bringing the Cybertruck to life with stunning realism and polished, high-end visuals worthy of a professional automotive production. Dune Ornithopter, one of the most ambitious cinematic projects ever created in Blender. You'll master complex modeling, UDIM unwrapping, advanced texturing, and environment creation, plus a full professional rigging setup that makes the Ornithopter completely ready for animation with mechanical precision and full control. We then move to a more focused high-impact project, the Realistic Cannon. This course is a masterclass in efficiency and workflow. I'll show you how to complete a high-quality production model from start to finish in record time. You'll master precision modeling with clean topology, dive into advanced UV unwrapping techniques like active quads for perfect textures, and finish with realistic material creation and post-processing in the Blender Compositor, delivering a museum-worthy asset for your portfolio. If you're a fan of mechanical detail, the Jeep Willys MB course is where you belong. We aren't just modeling a car, we're rebuilding a piece of history. You'll craft everything from the chassis to the smallest bolts, engines, and straps with professional accuracy. But the real secret here is in the storytelling through textures. You'll learn how to apply historically accurate surface wear, rust, and scratches using advanced military shaders. This project proves you can handle extreme detail and complex mechanical assets. The 9th course is a revolution in interior design. With Blender 5, we're moving beyond traditional methods. I'll teach you how to integrate AI tools like Nano Banana to visualize and iterate on your design concepts in seconds before you even touch a polygon. We focus on hyper-realistic architectural visualization and professional layout techniques that mirror real-world design. And to give you the ultimate edge, I've included a special bonus, my brand new book, Mastering Nano Banana, completely free. It's your secret weapon, featuring a massive library of ready-to-use prompts and advanced techniques to extract furniture references from photos for your own 3D library. This course and the book together are your ticket to the future of high-speed professional design. This bundle gives you everything: structure, depth, and real-world experience. You're not learning random tips. You're following proven workflows used in professional production. And you're not paying for one course at a time. You're investing in a complete learning system that saves you months, even years of trial and error. Whether you're a beginner looking for a clear roadmap, an intermediate artist ready to level up, or a freelancer building a portfolio that attracts clients, this bundle will take you further than you thought possible. It's more than just training. Start today and let this bundle become the foundation of your 3D success story.